Hi, I was doing Rails event store release today, and I figured out I could show you how this process works from my perspective. So in order to release a new version, we've prepared a guide for every maintainer so that you could learn what's our version policy, how to communicate changes in a changelog in a digestible way, and what are the particular steps you have to perform in order to release new version. So the first step is actually to draft a new release on the GitHub release pages. I've already did that. Then you have to compile a list of changes in the form of a changelog. That's much easier if you do it on the go when you introduce a change rather than compiling it just before the release. I've made it before as well. We use GitHub release page because that allows us to fix description after the release. So we're not coupled to that particular step in Git repository. Because we have a monorepo that consists of several gems, it's easier for us to release the gems at once to ensure that they all work together. So we have a little helper to set a common version for all of them. Then the magic happens on make release, which is our script that is responsible for installing dependencies of those gems in order to perform unit tests on a local machine as a last safety measure. I've ensured that the continuous integration was green. We run those tests on continuous integration on different versions of Rails, on different databases, and lots of different configurations of Ruby versions as well. Once the dependencies are there and the unit tests pass, we start the process of building gem packages. Let's look into the Makefile and see what this release task consists of. So it's a series of smaller focus tasks. We check that the Git repository is clean, there are no uncommitted files. Then we install dependencies, run unit tests, tag the particular Git commit with a version of a release, and then we're ready to push. Because it consists of those individual tasks, it can be interrupted and you can later proceed with the task you want. Because we've interrupted just before the push, let's redo the push. What this task does is an upload of a gem package to the RubyGem server. Once we do that, the last thing to have a new release is to actually publish the changes we've introduced into the releases page. And it's done. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you would like to see more of such videos in the future. See you.